Oh yes. Today is the first day of school. I can't wait to go to school today.
Caillou, time for breakfast.
I'm coming, Dad. Good morning, Ms. Martin. Am I late?
No, Caillou. You are not late. You made it just in time. Now go to your sit. Good morning, everyone. And welcome to the first day of school. Today we're going to learn everything in this year. Now it's time for math. Today we're going to do some division and multiplication. What is 67 divided 74? Yes, Caillou?
0.90.
Good job, Caillou. Now next question. What is 900 multiplied 8634?
7,770,600.
Excellent, Leo. You are an expert for math. Next question. What is 8,000 multiplied 4?
I know. It's 32,000.
Perfect, Sarah. Congratulations to all of you for having memorized the divisions and multiplications. Now we're going to the next question, but this question is going to make it super difficult.
Man, what a beautiful day playing in the playground. The sun is shining, the birds are singing, and
No, stop it, no.
Shut the fuck up, nonsense girl.
oh, this
I'm going
voice
to
is
steal your
someone is in
glasses.
trouble. Hey, I see Clyde and he's trying to steal my friend Amaya. I'll better stop him before he hurts her.
I don't freaking care. Now give me your glasses or else I will kill you once and for all.
Stop right there, Clyde. Leave Amaya alone.
Absolutely never, you asshole. Because she got me in trouble last year, and I have revenge on her.
I don't give a shit!
This is what you get for trying to steal Amaya's glasses. That's what I beat you. And I have enough with you. I'm telling the principal about this. Principal, come over here.
What is it, Caillou?
Clyde tried to steal Amaya's glasses. And I defended her.
Oh my freaking gosh, Clyde. How could you try to steal Amaya's glasses? That's it. You're suspended for 40 weeks. Get your butt out of this school and never come back.
I really hate you, principal, and curse you, Caillou. Someday I'm going to kill you both of you pair of fags.
Clyde, shut up! You are expelled from this school forever. Get out of the school now and call your parents.
Caillou, thanks for telling me about what happened. Clyde is now expelled from this school. You are a good boy. Great job.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much for defeating me. That naughty brat is trying to steal my glasses, but you saved me. You are my hero, Caillou.
Oh, it was nothing, Amaya.
Caillou, how was your first day of school?
It was super great and I behaved every class, and at the recess, I defeated Amaya from Clyde, because he tried to steal her glasses. I saved her life.
Caillou, good job behaving on the first day of school. And good job for saving Amaya from Clyde, the stupid naughty brat. That is it. You are now ungrounded for life.
Now let's have lunch. I have spaghetti.
Yay. Spaghetti.
Clyde, we cannot believe you got expelled and suspended from school for trying to steal Amaya's glasses. That is it. Clyde, we cannot have enough of you. You are super extreme and grounded for Here's.
Go to your room right now, you asshole. And never ever come out until the day you die.